What's up, guys? I just wanted to go over some of the black accents I got for the exterior of this 22 race red Mustang. So the first one I got is when I bought the car. I got these hood scoops. I like the gloss black for all my exterior accessories. I had 4 points for these, so I was able to get these for free. I think they're valued at about $260. Got a performance pack so I could get these rims, and I bought these 5-liter blackout emblems from Ford. They were only about $30 for the pair. Pretty affordable. Now the other ones I got here, I got these gloss black door handle covers. I got these off of Amazon. They were $25 for the pair, and they fit pretty good. They've been on for a few months now, no issues. The other thing I got was these quarter vent window louvers, also from Amazon. I believe these were about 30 or 35 for the pair. Also came with a nice gloss black. The car is in the garage pretty much all the time unless I'm out driving it, so it doesn't get beat down with sun and weather. And my newest addition is these black gas cap. It says 50 on it. Also from Amazon. But I did have to paint this because it comes a very dull, flat black. I gave 2 coats and it turned out pretty good. And as you can see, the gloss black accents on this race red looks excellent. Really pops. And now I will pull this outside in the sun so you guys can get a better look at how it looks.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is how it looks out in the sun. And as you can see, the black accents just look amazing against this race red. So let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Adios, muchachos.